Recently, ChatGPT has dominated the news cycle. The artificial intelligence language processor gained popularity more quickly than giants like Instagram and TikTok after it was made available to the general public in December 2022. The cutting-edge chatbot AI is capable of a surprisingly wide range of activities, including everything from having a conversation to finishing a term paper. Additionally, Microsoft has started incorporating the GPT language paradigm that underpins ChatGPT into services like Teams, Bing, and Edge. We are aware that many individuals are attempting to understand how to use this novel technology and what its drawbacks are. Well, in today's video, we are going to address all of the most frequently asked questions regarding ChatGPT. So without wasting any more of your time, let's start the video. Before going any further, let's just understand what ChatGPT actually is. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is like a machine with artificial intelligence built in to help with a range of tasks. The chat in ChatGPT refers to a language model AI that is created to produce text that seems like it was written by a human and is intended to engage in conversation. It is an artificial intelligence created by OpenAI, which is an artificial intelligence research group that was created in 2015 by Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, Ilya Sutskever, and Wojciech Zaremba. Although OpenAI offers various services, ChatGPT was first released in 2018. The third model of the natural language processing project, GPT-3, is the foundation of ChatGPT. The system leverages the GPT-3 architecture to comb through a vast amount of online data and sources to serve as its knowledge base. It is a large-scale, pre-trained language model. And now that we know what ChatGPT is, we can move on to the topic at hand. First, let's understand how it works. How does ChatGPT work? You submit an inquiry or request to the AI chatbot using ChatGPT by typing it into a text field on OpenAI's ChatGPT website. The AI then considers this request and reacts in accordance with the data at its disposal. Up until 2021, ChatGPT has had access to and or been trained on a variety of materials, including software documentation, web pages, programming languages, and more. This makes it a very potent tool that can provide answers to queries on a variety of subjects, offer advice, and even produce written material. Despite the fact that Google Bard and Bing, both of which are powered by the GPT, have largely replaced it in recent years, a sizable neural network is used by ChatGPT to create the human-like language it speaks. Yet, how does that procedure work? The entire work procedure of ChatGPT is divided into 5 small processes. First of which is input processing, in which the human user enters instructions or inquiries into ChatGPT's text field. After which the second process, tokenization, kicks in which the program tokenizes the text input by breaking it down into individual words for analysis. After this, the third process, input embedding, comes in. In this process, the neural network's transformer section receives the tokenized text, after which the fourth process, encoder-decoder attention, takes place. During this process, the transformer transforms the text input into an encoded form and creates a probability distribution for each potential output. The output is then produced by that distribution, and then the final process output and text generation come in, and the text response is sent to the human user by ChatGPT as its output answer. One of the most common tasks that ChatGPT can perform are text generation, text completion, question answering, summarization, text translation, conversational AI, sentiment analysis, named entity recognition, and part-of-speech tagging. Now that you essentially understand everything there is to know about this artificial intelligence, let's move on to the most often asked question about it. Can we use this on our mobiles? ChatGPT can be used on a phone, yes. There is nothing stopping you from doing so, since you can do the same operations on the app's mobile web version as you can on a desktop browser. Of course, in order to log in to ChatGPT, you must have a phone number. And as long as you can connect, using ChatGPT on a smartphone makes mobile use incredibly simple. Just search the website chat.openai.com and log in with your number, and boom, it unlocks everything. Now the other question that people often ask about this AI is ChatGPT free? Well, this question's answer is also yes. According to OpenAI, ChatGPT is still offered to users as a free research service today. However, ChatGPT Plus, a premium subscription model of ChatGPT, has just been released by OpenAI. This package costs $20 per month and offers priority access to new features when they become available, faster response times, and access to ChatGPT even when demand is high. Check out our guide to ChatGPT Plus for all the information you need. Does ChatGPT have an app? There isn't a ChatGPT app available right now. The AI-powered chatbot does not have a standalone app, despite connections with other programs like Edge, Bing, and the Opera web browser. You can still use ChatGPT on a mobile device, though. Google is worried about ChatGPT's ability to eliminate the need for search engines and its alleged integration with Bing. It actually has its own language model for dialogue applications and is also developing its own AI technology model like ChatGPT, which they named Google Bard. Well, now that we have told you all nearly everything about this amazing AI, what do you guys think about it? Please share your thoughts on this AI in the comments section. And if you enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe to our channel so that we can continue to bring you amazing videos like this. We will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.